Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can download Valorant on your PC. For this, first you want to search for Valorant download. Valorant Riot Games Competitive, this thing, the first option. Once you click on it, over here at the top right corner, you can see the option called Play Now. Click on Play Now. Then over here it says don't have an account, I have an account. If you don't have a Riot Games account, you can create one. If you already have, click on sign in. And then it's going to ask you to log in into your account. So make sure to log in into your account now. Once you log in into your account, click on where it says my account and click on game download. Now once you click on game download, your Riot game installer will start to download. And if it doesn't start to download, you can always click on download at this corner at the bottom left and it'll start to download. Now once the installer is downloaded, you want to go on your downloads folder. From inside the downloads folder, you want to open installvalorant.exe. Once you open up the installer, it's going to look just like this. Now you can click on advanced option and choose in which location of your PC you want to save your game files. After you choose the location, click on OK and click on install. Once you do that, your Valorant will start to install, and after the installation is complete, you can start playing it. That's how we guys can install and play Valorant on your PC. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.